In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram Reels music not working. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to go to App Store or Play Store, search for Instagram, right here. And then we have to make sure that this button right here says open. If it says update, all you have to do is to update your Instagram to its latest model. So going back to Instagram, you just have to click on this Reels right here and click on this camera button right here. Now once you're in, some says that the audio or music icon is not visible to them. This might be a bug on Instagram system. So all you have to do is to tap above the filter icon right here and check out if you can open the audio or music page. If that still doesn't work, all you have to do is to go to your profile, click on edit profile, and make sure that you're on professional account. Now change the category of your account to whatever other category it is. And this will restart your feed as well as your account. And then you just have to check out if the audio is now evident right here. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.